So this family fantasy adventure tells the alternative story how the 12-year-old boy Peter became widely known as Peter Pan. Peter is a 12-year-old boy who lives in London orphanage, and one night flying pirate ship takes him and other children to the Neverland, where they are being kept as prisoners of the Captain Blackbeard, and they are working for him in the mines in search of Pixium, which is actually fairy dust, and Blackbeard is sniffing it through his nose, so he could gain immortality. The real adventure starts when Peter and his new friend James Hook, who is here the good guy, they escape with one flying ship to the woods of Neverland, and there they met a tribe from who Peter's father was. He was actually Fairy King. And then all the twist starts. About the actors, I would say I should mention one actor, Hugh Jackman, or the Wolverine, which I didn't notice by myself. I mean, I was like suspicious, is this Blackbeard like Wolverine? And then I was in the half of the movie or something, and I went to the internet and I see it on the internet that it really is. So that also means that the makeup are really good, and that is one of the sides which are good in this movie. So Hugh Jackman as Captain Blackbeard, well, what could we say? He was pretty good, but as the movie is like a children movie, so his acting is not like legendary. So what can we learn from this movie? Many things. Like one example, ships are flying, because I mean in Neverland, and in our land, our world, when they come from Neverland, because you know, boats in water are boring. Not only do they are flying, they are also going to the space. Then, if you kill someone in Neverland, he actually becomes a dust of color. So that means if you kill people in Neverland, you are actually making a world more colorful space. Then, pirates of the Blackbeard are singing Nirvana songs. Fairies are actually stupid, and but they become smart if they have a leader. Yes, they don't know to fight by themselves. They don't know to organize and things. Well, jokes on the side. First of all, you need to know that this movie is, I would say, made strictly for children. So that means if you are grown up, you should watch it. The best is that you watch it with some children, with your son, daughter, nephew, I don't know, whatever. And of course, Peter Pan fans will be happy to see this movie. It doesn't matter if it's too much childish or something, because actually whole Peter Pan is childish, so you should watch this movie if you are a fan of Peter Pan, or if you are watching it with some children or something. If you are none of these two categories, then you shouldn't expect to get too lot of fun. You can see that they really invest in this movie, because effects are good, special effects. This flying ship, it doesn't look bad as it sounds. Actually, it looks pretty good. And other effects. So you can see that it's not a low budget movie. Because of that, I am giving it 5.8, not more, but neither less. Because like I said, it is strictly for me a movie for children or Peter Pan fans.